Nongkrem MDC Lambor Malngyang met with KHADC CEM Penyat Singh's aim to seek clarification on the Executive Committee's decision to establish the new Mausau village. Malngyang raised concerns about the lack of consent from the parent villages Pernai and Ormasi Ujo as per the KHADC Administration of Ilaka Act 1991. He also questioned the procedural irregularity of the Deputy CM signing the approval order instead of the usual Joint Secretary. Malngyang plans to engage with the aim of Himak Hairim and the Dorbar Shnongs to jointly address the issue with the Council.
Bangala pule but sanibha lo jong kani ka jingmi jong kani ka Shnong Mausau ante hapo Lord Smith nakaliang ko nga ngalata pankren nagbasay yaki parlok ba nganya syakmat hakaban niya panbay namta jong kani ka kam hangte kadai mata kalalong haki South League mamla kamot like tahu hapning jong kini ka atli Shnong kabaar kamot kala itahu bat ka hima nanta klaya sabat ka this council.
Jananda Kakoti